Hello, my little friends. Let's learn A to Z sounds together. Watch, listen, and repeat with me. A says Papa A. A for apple, apple is red and sweet. Pretend to pick and eat the apple. A for ant is very small. Walk your finger slowly. B says Papa A. B for ball, ball can bounce, bounce, bounce. B for bat, swing the bat slowly. C says c. C for cat, cat says meow, make cute pose. C for cup, drink from the cup. D says d. D for dog, bow, bow. D for dots, tap, tap, dots. E says E. E for egg, E for elephant, big and strong. F says F. F for frog, jump, jump. F for fish, swim, swim. G says go, go, go. G for goat, G for grass, green, green. H says ha. H for hand, clap, clap. H for hat, put on your head. I says E. I for ink, I for insect, buzz, buzz. J says ju. J for juice, drink slowly. J for jar, open the jar. K says coo. K for king, wave proudly. K for kite, fly high. L says l. L for lamb, L for leaf, green leaf. M says M for man, M for monkey, jump, jump. N says N for nose, touch nose. N for neck, turn gently. O says ooh. O for ocean, O for orange. P says poo. P for parrot, P for plum. Q says quack. Q for queen, Q for quail. R says r. R for rope, R for rat. S for sun, S for sunflower. T says go to. T for tap, T for tab. U. V says ooh. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V says ooh. V for violin, V for violet. E says well, ooh. O for water, O for well. X, Y for yellow, Y for yacht. C for zoo, C for zebra. Great job, friends! You learned A to Z sounds. Clap, clap, clap. See you next time on ZUBEE TV.